So the next theorem is a graph is bipartite if and only if it has no odd cycle, right? Here the statement is of if and only if. Here suppose we consider the graph is bipartite. Now we have to prove that it has no odd cycle. If the graph is bipartite, then it has no odd cycle, right? Now here we have considered that let G be a bipartite graph with vertex set V. Suppose that V is a vertex set of a graph G and G is a bipartite graph, and the bipartition, right? Graph is bipartite, therefore we have the bipartition of the graph G, right? Therefore the bipartition is V is equals to X union Y, right? And here X and Y are two sets of vertices and union of these two sets is whole vertex set, right? So here we have to prove that if G is bipartite, then it has no odd cycle. Let us consider the cycle, any arbitrary cycle from the graph G. Let C is equals to V0, V1, Vk, V0 be the cycle of the G. G means graph, right? So assume that V0 belongs to the set X. Here we have already bipartition of the graph G, X and Y, right? And X union Y is equals to V. Suppose that the and we have given that the graph is bipartite, right? Therefore if we consider the first vertex V0 belongs to X, then because G is bipartite, V1 must be in Y, because we know the definition of the bipartite graph. X and Y are two disjoint sets and there is no edge between any two vertices in X and there is no edge between any two vertices in Y. Therefore here if V0 belongs to X, then the next vertex V1 must be in Y. If V1 is in Y, then V2 must be in X. For example, here this is a bipartite graph, right? This is bipartite graph, this one. Now here V0, V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. Here first vertex, this is a set X and this is a set Y, right? There is no edge between any two vertices in X and there is no edge between any two vertices in Y. So here first vertex V0, if we consider V0 belongs to X, then obviously next vertex in Y, V1 in Y, then V2 in X, then V5 in Y, right? So if we take any vertex from the set X, right, the next vertex is from Y. For example, here V0 belongs to X, then V3 belongs to Y. That means V2 belongs to X, then V1 belongs to Y, right? Similarly here, if we consider V0 belongs to X, then the next vertex of the cycle V1 belongs to Y. And if V1 belongs to Y, then V2 must be in X. Similarly, V3 in Y and etc. Right? That means if we observe the even index vertices are in X, that means V0, V2, V4 are all in X and odd index vertices in Y, right? That means in fact odd index vertices V2i plus 1, this is a odd, right? Odd number, and this is a index. That means odd index vertices V2i plus 1 must be in Y, while the even index vertices V2i must be in X, right? Hence K must be odd number. Suppose that suppose this is a bipartite graph, right? And there are cycles from V0, V1, V2, V3, V3, V4, V5, V6, right? Up to Vk minus 1, right? V0, V1, V2, V5, right? Then V6, V7, V8, V9 up to Vk minus 1 and Vk, right? Therefore, here the all odd index vertices are in X and all the even index vertices are in Y, X and all the odd index vertices in Y, right? This is a Y set and this is an X set, right? Therefore, here hence k must be odd number. Thus the cycle C is equals to V0, V1, V2, V3, V4 up to Vk, and V0 is even. Here suppose we consider this here from this graph, suppose we consider this cycle V0, V1, V2, V5 and again this V0, V1, V2, V5 and V0. Here odd index vertices are in X and even index vertices are in X and odd index vertices are in Y, right? Here, and length of this cycle is here V0, V1, V2, V5 and V1 here 1, 2, 3, 4 here. V5 is odd, right? V5 is odd index vertex, that means this k is equals to here 5, right? This k is odd, therefore length of this cycle is even, because if we start from V0, right, here 1, 2, 3, right, and this one is 4, therefore length of this cycle is even. Therefore a graph is bipartite if and only if it has no odd cycle, right? This is example, right? Now since C was arbitrary cycle in the graph G, right, here we have already considered that C is any cycle, arbitrary cycle, therefore G has no odd cycle, and this is true for all cycles in a bipartite graph, right? Then here we have proved it has no odd cycle. If a graph G is bipartite, then it has no odd cycle.